It's the producer.
Yeah, here we go with the with vlog number 5. Miz and Dre are here. They're teaching me how to edit. We just added the intro. Good vibes here. CT in the house. Who Shot Your Boys is here. I like that hoodie, man. I like that hoodie, Dre. I like that hoodie. This is this my friends right here that don't know shit about cars. You guys made the vlog.
This is
what are we looking at?
Single overhead cam.
Okay.
With flux capacitor somewhere.
Where's the flux capacitor?
It's right here. This right here.
That's it right there?
Yeah, this is right here.
Okay.
This right here is a serial number for 1.21 gigawatts.
Okay.
And
where you feed the garbage?
Oh, this right here.
Yeah,
you put the garbage right here.
All right.
This right here. This does not run on gas. This actually it runs on garbage. Straight from the future. Put the garbage here. Hold on, guys. And a little bit right here.
Yeah, put that in there.
You really want to
put it in there?
All right.
Okay, we're not using
go. Start it up.
Start it up, Vic. Let's see if it works.
Let's go, Vic.
Let's see if the flux capacitor works. No smoking in the car, please. Let's see.
Don't forget to put your foot on the clutch when you start
on this
the
car.
car.
You gotta put the clutch.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's too much work for Vic.
He don't even.
It's too much work for him. We made him lose a cigarette. Look. Hell no. He's done. He's quit.
Hey,
Go ahead,
Ponch.
Chi-Chi.
Come on.
Yeah, Joe. Big man.
Big man.
Big man. Big bucks.
You know, I was thinking about doing maybe changing it to 5 lug conversion.
Oh, you
know what I'm saying?
Oh, like old times, huh?
Oh, this brake doesn't even work.
Nah, e-brake don't work, bro. We changing the cables, boss. All right, shut it off.
Still got the
Shut it off. The mileage is running. We might have to do it like Ferris Bueller and put it in reverse to get the mileage pushed back. Remember that?
Yeah,
We stole his dad's car.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, careful.
But did you notice that's still good, man?
Oh, you giving this a car review? Let's hear somebody that don't know shit about cars give it a review. What do you see about this car?
Okay.
So, you know
What do you see?
Number one
Why
thing
do you
I
have
see
those
about
boat
this car
shoes
right
on,
here.
man?
What the fuck is this?
That's the Be Good stick right there.
Oh, look, roll up windows. You haven't seen this in a while. Look at this. It's like an exercise right here.
That's it. It's cardio.
Yo, does that have power locks? No.
Why did you
Yeah, go. There you go. Drop my fucking beer, bro.
drop the beer, man? Good times here at the shop.
Common thing about Civics, every
Let's hear
hatchback
this
never had
professional.
the little cover in the back. Name one car that has it. That little cover right there.
This has it?
The Honda EK.
Hold on.
Like,
How do you even open
every hatchback has it. Look how he opened it. Come on, man.
this right here? This
Ooh, that's pristine, right?
Yeah.
never.
This is original parts right here. Original
Oh,
parts.
you had this, you the man.
OEM, boys. This is me trying to inform my friends that know nothing but booze and football. They don't have no idea about cars.
You know what we need to put? We need to put a dual exhaust.
Dual exhaust system?
Yeah, dual exhaust.
How about the Motec
Maybe
one?
a Greddy or something.
You like the Motec one?
Yeah.
The Motec one, yeah, it's on the market. He wants the
Chip in the muffler. That's
Oh
it.
yeah, the chip in the muffler. Don't forget that. Don't forget that.
What is that called?
MSD.
MSD. Zeus used to have an MSD in his EF, and it wasn't wired in, and he used to run around town saying, "Yo, when I wire my MSD, it's over for everybody.
That's a fact.
It's over for everybody when I wire my MSD." A single jingle.
Slowest
Wait.
car crew in y'all.
Power steering. Power steering, right?
Yeah, that's the power steering. Yep.
I'm just asking. I don't know.
No, that's the power steering. What else do you see? Yeah, that's power steering.
I'm just asking.
Yeah. That's
I'm just asking. I don't know.
Point at it one more time. What's the power steering? Point at it one more. Yep, that's it. Good job, pal. Good job, pal.
I was asking for a friend. Manny, it's the power steering.
I knew what it was.
Nigga came over here. Poncho came over here and goes, "Oh shit, they got AC. Look,
What
they got AC."
Oh, the
I
cap.
said, "Where is it? The AC right here."
Oh yeah, we got AC.
No, that's the
No, it's this one right here, bro. That's what the Freon goes on, right? That's what
Yeah,
you say.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
what you call it.
Good
Freon.
job. Good job. Good job.
Show me the brake booster.
Where's the brake booster, champ?
No,
Oh,
I said the brake booster.
stumped you. That's the brake booster now. Don't do him
I like
like
the
that.
brake
He did pretty good, man.
That's the
close
general
enough.
vicinity of it.
Yeah, it's pretty fucking close.
Close enough.
This area right here.
It's close enough.
Watch it.
Yeah, good
Watch it.
times. Good Sunday. Happy
You
Easter,
gonna change
everybody.
the mirrors too?
Nah, he's keeping it OEM. Only thing that's gonna change is the motor and the suspension. He's gonna keep it looking real factory. Pretty dope.
I like to go to car shows. And when I look at the engine, I like to do this. Pause. Like this.
Yo, Manny,
Yo, you know what you need to
Manny.
get him? You
No,
know,
hold
like
on. Again.
The little
I'll
Sochia like finger thing, like the little pointer.
Oh, a little point.
Oh yeah.
You get him one of those before he goes to car
I like
show?
to do that.
Manny, what happens to you at the Keepgunnin booth
Oh,
when you
man,
when you're
the
slinging
events?
merch? What happens to you?
Man,
What-
I freeze up, man. They start asking me car questions and all this other shit, man. All I do is like, yeah, word, yo. You right about that. You right about
you
the
should do
SI, the manifold, the intake, and all the OEM parts and shit like that. I don't be knowing none of that shit, man. Please,
know none.
please stop coming up to me and asking me about car parts. Man. I don't know shit
what
about
can
it.
they ask you about?
Huh?
About football?
Oh, ask me something about football. Ask me something about some
Fantasy.
merch or something like that. But
Yeah.
don't talk to me
Sneakers.
about no car parts, man.
You
Car
don't know-
parts, man. I don't
Be
know
honest.
shit
Just
about
be
that.
honest with everybody. You don't know shit.
I don't know shit about that, man.
That's
I don't
all
know
I need
shit,
from you, man.
man.
That's all I need.
I like
from
to
you.
lie though. I like to see how far I could take the story.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I ain't even gonna hold you. I like to do that.
What's this guy known for right here? Can I zoom in? Can I touch that? Can I zoom in on that beer?
Oh, this my.
Oh my! I got it too. I got it focused on the beer. This guy loves booze, man.
This guy could
This guy
find a bodega anywhere in America.
Damn, you don't leave none for the dead people, bro?
They're already dead, bro.
Oh my god! Oh my god, yo! He leaves nothing. All right, man. We'll conclude
They're not
this.
thirsty.
We'll conclude this vlog, man.
Get the Windex.
Who shot you in
Yo,
the
get the
house, man? My
Windex.
boy
Yo.
Miz, my boy Dre. Thanks for
Get
the
the
love.
Windex.
What? When next?
Oh, they're trying to find a slow leak over there.
Who?
Flat tire. The Windex.
Oh,
Where's the
well,
Windex
see if
at?
you can help him out. Keep it real, huh?
Nah,
No, they're gonna figure it out.
I don't. Nah, I only work on Hondas, man. Sorry.
I can see the hole from over here.
Yeah, you could. All right, guys. You guys enjoy your Easter Sunday. Happy Easter, everybody. Give a peace out. Whoever's on camera right now. It ain't even
Yo, was
focused.
fog lights and
Keep
options
gunning,
on this
man.
car? On the SI?